Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will inform you when I upload a new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes they are time sensitive, like today's, and so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you enjoy the content of a creator, please take a second. Right underneath the video there is a thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. I'm very, very lucky to be able to share this with you today. I cannot believe that we were able to get our hands on this, and I was able to get an extra one, so there is going to be a giveaway in this video. So make sure, because that's for subscribers, to make sure to subscribe. Like I said, it's really easy. It's that red button and the ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Okay, you also have to make sure that your account is public. I will share all this with you guys at the end of the video. I will have links on how to do that, and I'm really good at trying to make sure that you are eligible for the giveaways. We work together to get that so that your account is public. Like I said, I have a small little video on how to do that, which I will link down below, but we'll go through all that at the end because I want to share this with you guys. Okay, this is the Whole Foods beauty bags. If you don't know about this, they do this once a year. They are $20. They have over $135 worth of product in it. And it says it will start being available on Friday, March the 12th, which is today. It's also only available, from what I understand, in store. And they're saying this year there are 2 Whole Food beauty bags to choose from. They have the Glow Up Beauty, which is the blue one, which we're going to go through first. And then we have the new Essentials, which is the one I was able to grab 2 of. And that's the one, because it's new Essentials, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on everything that's in this bag. All right, but we'll go through everything so you'll see exactly what this is all about. So if you're able to want to snag it on your own or try to get it, they're not easy to get. That's why I ended up getting a second one. It was a little bit hard to be able to do that, but we got it, and it's here, and it's available for everybody right now in Whole Foods. $20 for $135 worth of products, and we're going to go through each thing here. Okay, it has a mixture of full size as well as sample sizes, but the value on this and the products they put in are so amazing. It comes with a card inside which tells you everything that you're going to get. The one that I said we're going to start with is the blue bag, and that one is called the Glow Up Beauty Kit. And it simply says you deserve the best to indulge in beauty that makes you feel beautiful inside and out. That's why they did the research to find the finest beauty and body care products available. Why they also have banned over 100 plus ingredients and counting, including parabens, the formaldehyde, the microbeads, the EDTAs. Everything that they try to do at Whole Foods is like cruelty free as much as they can. And they say, enjoy this one-of-a-kind curated bag. It's one of their favorites, and it's their feel-good beauty boost. So just so that you know, there are 2 different bags. One is the blue one, and the other is the purple. The blue one is the one that is the Glow Up, which is the one that we're going to go through now, and the purple one is the new Essentials. Okay? All right. So let's get started. I tried to put everything out from the blue bag on the table. We're going to pull everything out of the purple one together and just show it, because otherwise this video will be too long. The first item that was in here is from Juice Beauty. It is the Blemish Clearing Cleanser, and this is 2 fluid ounces, it says, and it is made with certified organic cherry, lemon, aloe juice. It's a daily cleanser that clears while it hydrates. That's the first item. The next item is from Mad Hippie, and this is an amazing product. This one is their deluxe sample of their vitamin C. The next item that we got was from Alafia, which is the Everyday Coconut Vegan Lip Balm, which is made with pure coconut. The next item that we got here is an apple cider vinegar scalp serum by the brand called Ren Pure. The next item that we have is from Shea Moisture. It is 100% extra virgin coconut oil, head to toe nourishing hydration. The next item that we have is from ULTA, and this is a sheer hydration daily cream. Then we have from Pacifica Beauty a Sea Foam Complete Face Wash, and they're saying this is the mini. And then the next item that we have is from the Seaweed Bath Company. It is Detox Repairing Hair Mask. Then Whole Foods has their own facial sheet masks, and this is one of them here, and this is in the Soothing Avocado. The next item that we have is from Acure. It is the shampoo. This is the Juice Cleanse Super Greens shampoo, and they also put in the conditioner. Then we have from Alba Botanica. This is an acne pimple patches. Then from Yes to Avocado, we have a fragrance-free cream mask. Then we have from Evan Heerly. Yeah, that's this one. It says it is the Rose Balm. And then we have, can you believe how much is in here? We have the Coconut Kind Resurfacing Sleep Mask. Then we have from Anodulu Naturals, the plant-based retinol alternative, and that's what this is here. And then the last item that we have in this bag is from Triology, and it is a rosehip oil antioxidant. So like I said, this is everything that was in the blue bag. I'm just going to put everything back in here, and then we're going to pull everything out from the purple bag. And the purple bag is the one that we were able to get two of. And I have to thank my brother so much, because we got up really early to get in there, because there's usually not that many in the store. And because he was with me, we were able to snag an extra one. And that's how we were able to get it, because normally they limit you to one or two. Like I said, because these are limited quantities. So that's the blue bag that we just went through. Now the one that we have behind me here that's still in the bag is another one of these purple bags. And that's the one that is going to be in the giveaway. And I'm going to share with you exactly how we do our giveaways here. But let me just pull everything out of this bag and get it on the table so we can go through each item one at a time, so you can know exactly what you're getting here. So again, this one has the Juice Beauty, but it is a cleansing milk. And from when I looked at this ahead of time, because we did take pictures for Instagram and have it all set up, what I saw just from glancing quickly, I don't think there's any repeats, and if there is, it's maybe one. So if you get both bags, it's fantastic. So like I said, the first one is from Juice Beauty. It's a cleansing milk. The next item that we have here is from Avalon Organics. It is a Soothing Moisture shampoo. The next item that we have here, this is the one that I think is a duplicate, is from Pacifica. It is a Sea Foam Complete Face Wash. And it says here that it removes makeup, cleanse, and tones. It's a coconut water and sea algae complex. The next item that we have here is from Pure Zero. It says it is a color care conditioner, so there must be a shampoo here. There is. So we have the shampoo and we have the conditioner. The next item that we have here is from Mineral Fusion. It is a nail polish remover. Then from here we have from Evan Healy Blue Cactus, the Calming Balm. Then the next item in here we have from My Chell. It is a serum and oil product. The next item that we have here is a hair mask that is a clarifying, calming, deep conditioning hair mask. Then from ULTA, we have the Skin Food Lip Butter. This I received last year in their boxes, and they're fantastic. The next item we have here is another item that I received last year, but I received their spritz. This is a new product from them, and is from Dr. Hazicakala. I'm so not pronouncing this right. And this is their day cream. Then we have another lip balm that is from that brand, Alafia, which is the Everyday Coconut. Then from Mad Hippie, we have the vitamin A. So we have, I think, 2 or 3 of the same items. Then we have from Acure, we have this little container here. And this one, it simply says on here that it is a jelly mask. And then we have some pouches. This is from Derma E, is a vitamin C gently daily cleansing paste. Then we have a couple of masks. We have the one from Whole Foods, and then we have one from Acure, which is the hydrating cream sheet mask. Absolutely, absolutely fantastic. I look forward to this every year because some proceeds go to I'll read a little bit of this here. They're saying it's the one-of-a-kind bag. It's made with this batik fabric that is hand-printed by women who were former victims of the sex trade at the Queen Alafia Center in Togo, West Africa. Their goal is to help these women realize their self-worth and live a dignified life where they can and support themselves and their families. And this is all made in Ghana. So really, really happy that we're able to tell you guys a little bit about it. But like I said, this is an absolute find, and they try to do this every year. It's always usually in the month of March. I'm so excited that I was able to get up early and get it up and get out and grab my brother, so that in case I was able to only get one, I wanted to make sure I could get two. But because we were there really early and the manager was talking to us and everything, we got very lucky and he allowed us to take a third. So that's where you guys come in. So this is where the giveaway comes in. I'm also think I might pull out of the other bag the nail polish remover, because that makes me nervous to ship something like this. So I might be pulling this out of the other bag. Otherwise, everything else in here, we're gonna make sure that it gets to you. We're gonna pack it to the best of our ability to get it to you in the way that I have it here. But all we could do is pack it the best to get it to you, and then once we ship it, we can't be responsible for anything. I will leave everything linked down below with how the giveaways work, but it is really simple. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel here on YouTube. You have to make sure that your account is public. I will leave a link, like I said, about a video of how to make sure that it is. So if I get back to you and say your account isn't public, you'll be able to see that link and make sure that you can get your account to be public. You also have to follow me on Instagram under True Wants with the number 2, because what we do during our giveaways is we inform you in your comments down here that you're the winner. We also then reach out to you through a direct message on Instagram, and that's where we start to share some personal information, and then we finalize everything via email. The second Instagram that you have to follow to be part of this is Improving Lifestyles. Improving Lifestyles is the business that I have with my brother, and that's the company that is going to be shipping it out to you. So the name that is going to be on the shipping documents that are going to go out are going to all be from Improving Lifestyles. So it's really simple. You got to subscribe to me on YouTube. You got to follow me, True Wants 2, on Instagram, as well as Improving Lifestyles on Instagram. Anything that I'm leaving out, I will make sure to leave in the description box down below. You know, all the, 18, all that stuff, over the age of 18, you must be, have an address in the US, because we only ship within the US. And that's everything that I have for you right now. But like I said, anything that I'm missing out, I will make sure to leave in the comments down below. So like I said, this starts today. They have limited quantities in the store. So if you're able to get it, great. If not, make sure that you be part of the giveaway, so that I'll be able to get one lucky winner to get this. We're gonna leave when this is all gonna be pulled out. Will also be in the description box down below. It will probably be at the end of the month. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out every day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that we all continue to stay safe, to stay well, and good luck to everybody who is entering this giveaway, and I am so excited to be able to share. And I'll speak to you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.